read and present to you our judges for tonight's Mr. and Miss. Okay? So we'll start.
Our first judge is a woman of intellect, service, and grace, both in the professional world and on the pageant stage. She holds a bachelor's degree in agribusiness management, major in marketing from Benton State University, and furthered her studies with a master's in agribusiness resource management in 2022. During her academic journey, she received the second Best Paper Award in the College of Agriculture's Research category and was also named Student Researcher of the Year during the College Research Congress. Professionally, she serves as an administrative assistant at Tuglay School of Home Industries, where her dedication and reliability support the foundation of youth education. And in the world of pageantry, she's no stranger to the spotlight. She was Miss HI, Miss Intramurals 2007, Miss Agribusiness 2012, Miss Agriculture First Runner-Up 2023, and proudly represented Tuglay during the Mr. and Miss Benguet 2014. A woman who leads by example, both in academic excellence and cultural representation. Please welcome Ms. Jemima Ventura Martinez Galante.
There you go, our first judge. Our head judge, the second judge for tonight's competition. It is my pleasure to introduce one of the distinguished individuals serving as a judge for tonight's event. Ladies and gentlemen, at just 21 years old, he has already made a remarkable mark in multiple fields. He currently trains and works as an assistant kickboxing coach at Builders Gym, showing not just physical discipline, but leadership through sports. He's also the PR and talent manager of Yoy Entertainment Philippines, a growing media outlet promoting Filipino talent and culture. In the pageant world, he wears many hats. As a public relations coordinator, communications team member for the Miss Universe Philippines Benguet franchise, and as an award-winning pageant king himself. He is also a proud member of the Tinagaw Foundation, a charitable group dedicated to serving and uplifting our fellow Canadians through outreach and community support. When it comes to combating sports, he is no stranger to victory. He has competed in Muay Thai, kickboxing, and Taekwondo, earning an impressive 5 gold medals and 3 silver medals. And of course, in the world of pageantry, he is of course to be reckoned with having joined 9 competitions and winning 7 prestigious titles, including Mr. Island Tourism Philippines, Benguet 2024, Mr. Hotstar Philippines for the era 2024, and the Pagana title of Mr. Benguet 2024. A young man of talent, grit and heart. Let us give a warm round of applause to one of tonight's esteemed judges, Mr. Jerry Lou Joaquin Lido.
Thank you, Mr. Pino. Our next judge is a young man whose dedication to leadership, education, and culture truly stands out. At just 21 years old, he is currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering at St. Culture 2024. Let's